What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site, PocketMoneyGPT. The link to sign up to it will be in the description. I'm gonna do a cash out today. I just made this today, 2009 cents. I mean, it's not a lot, but I just made it like in 10 minutes or whatever. I did a couple surveys. I'm gonna show you all of that. I'm gonna cash out real quick. Then as always, I'm gonna show you my routine. So first, the minimum you need to withdraw is $1, and they do PayPal, and it comes fairly quick, like within the same day. Maybe within a couple hours you'll get your money, so you don't have to wait for long. So go ahead and click withdraw, and you see that I've been added to the pending list. So like I said, it'll be here very soon. But as far as how I got it, it was very quick. I just go over here to earn. I go to daily surveys, and I'm gonna show you what I did. I did Samplicious. I did a survey for Samplicious. If I scroll down, I'll see it. It was like $1. It was like 115 coins, which is like $1. Yeah, 15. Right here, 115. You can do this 4 times a day. You see how many times it's been completed. So I mean, it's a really good offer. I did that. Also, there's a offer here. Reward TV. When do you watch TV yesterday? So basically, this is a survey that you can do every day, and it's really easy because all you got to do is just basically answer, your first question is actually what time did you watch TV. It'll give you like 3 different time periods, morning, afternoon, and night. You just pick one. It'll have a list of all the shows that were literally on TV last night in your area. You just pick what you watched last night. It'll ask you some questions, and the thing about it is, like, you can get some of the questions wrong and you'll still get credited for the survey. The survey takes like maybe 5 minutes. I mean, it doesn't take long at all, and you get 25 coins for that. So I mean, easy money you're doing that. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure you do that. You do the Samplicious first, get your 115 coins. Then you do the Reward TV, get 25 coins. And I'm going to also show you another survey provider that's actually 5 minutes long. It's the 5-minute survey router. So yeah, right here. You get 35 coins for doing that 5-minute survey. So, I mean, not a long survey at all. Very quick. I mean, it takes you 5 minutes, maybe, 6 or 7 minutes if you're kind of slow at answering questions. But very easy to do. Also, there's other opportunities on here. If you go to offer walls, you can see they have a lot of different ones you can choose from. Thin Reach they have disqualification points. That's good. You can do tap research. That's always a good survey provider to get involved with. Same with Peanut Labs. For those of you who like to click ads, you can go to PTC wall. You'll get ads literally. They'll be reloaded every day. You just go in there and just click different ads that you can, you don't make a lot with it, but just every day kind of adds up. You'll probably make 1 or 2 cents, just depending on how many ads are in your particular area. So I mean, that's basically what I focus on this site. The 5-minute survey router, the Samplicious, the Reward TV, and every now and then I'll jump over here to Thin Reach, Tap Research, Peanut Labs, things like that. Try some of the offer walls as well. Offer Turbo is a good one. Also AdSense offer wall if you want to get paid to watch videos. Where you go is to Hideout TV, unlimited videos. So I mean, a lot of money involved in this site. You can see here on the side they have a chat box, so if you have a question, you can always put it in there. I think it's really good when a site has a shout box or a chat box, whatever you want to call it, because it allows you to basically just, if you have a question, you can put it in there real quick. You don't have to send out a ticket to the administrator or whatever. You can get your answer question, whatever it is, answered fairly quickly with that. So it also shows you what members are doing in the site. So you see here that 2009 cents, that was actually me cashing out. So it just shows you that everybody's kind of getting credited for, people having conversations in there, all that kind of good stuff. So definitely a good feature for you to have on the site. So definitely sign up for this site. There's a lot of opportunity in it. Like I said, the link to it will be in the description if you would like to sign up and get started today, start making some free money. Like I told you, I just made 2009 cents today. So I mean, there's really no limit how much you can make. It all depends on how much time you have in the day. But my routine, you can definitely implement that, apply it, and start making money. So like I said, the link to it is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts.